This honey harvester has a deep commitment to bee conservation, exemplifying skill, care, and respect for nature. Using gentle smoke, they calm the bees without causing any harm, taking only a small amount of honey to ensure the sustainable growth of the bee population and the surrounding ecosystem. Their expertise and responsibility are truly inspiring. First, they skillfully apply smoke to calm the bees, allowing them to remain undisturbed. Take a moment to admire the wild honeycombs, brimming with glistening golden honey. Every movement of the harvester is deliberate and precise, reflecting a profound harmony between humans and nature. As the process unfolds, we finally see the reward of their efforts. Kilograms of high-quality golden honey. The harvester employs traditional, eco-friendly techniques to collect honey responsibly. By harvesting only a portion of the honey, they ensure the bees retain ample food and space to thrive. This approach is a beautiful demonstration of how humans and nature can coexist in perfect balance. Today's harvest has brought in kilograms of delicious, pure honey. Step by step, the harvester gently approaches the hive, expertly using smoke to guide the bees without stress. Their careful methods protect the bees and preserve the harvest. Watch as the golden honey flows from the honeycombs, a mesmerizing sight. Each honeycomb is a masterpiece of natural engineering, showcasing the bees' incredible dedication. This thoughtful process has yielded a bountiful kilograms of delectable, pure honey. Such a process highlights not only the incredible work of the bees, but also the care and effort humans can contribute to maintain this delicate relationship. What a remarkable gift from nature.